Good morning. Well guys, today I'm here to explain a bit about the present simple passive voice and the past simple passive voice. So let's begin first remembering some tense verbs. So if we look here, this is Pearson platform. So you will look at some verbs that we use every day. These verbs, if I click here, we will see that we changed the tense of the verb. So make, made. Use, used. Invent, invented. Produce, produced. Sell, sold. Eat, eaten. Wear, worn. Create, created. So here you can see that I left verbs in their past participle form. During the class, we will have a list of verbs that you need to remember. Some of these verbs are regular, so you just have to add the ed to the original verb, like invent, produce, create, and use. However, there are verbs that will change. Some will change drastically, others will change a little. Make and made, sell, sold, eat, eaten, wear, worn. So in order to explain what something, a product, is made of, we are going to use the present simple passive form. Here I have some examples. The rug, which is singular noun, is, since the verb to be needs to be conjugated in present. Made, which is the past participle of the verb make, of wool, which is the material this is made of. Now, an example with a plural noun. Books, which is plural, are, the right conjugation in present, here is in present. Made, yes, the verb, the past participle form of the verb make, of paper, which is the material the books are made of. Now let's look at past simple passive form. So I'm gonna move here for you to have a full vision of this example. In the past simple passive form, we use the same rule, but now we're conjugating the verb in past, the verb to be. So the car is a noun in singular form. The car was, so verb to be is conjugated in the singular form was, in past. Invent, which is a regular verb, becomes invented. And the origin, which is Germany. Car was invented in Germany. Now, a plural example of this is comics. Comics is a plural noun. So the verb to be in past will be wear. Comics wear. The past participle of create, another regular verb, is created. Created. And the origin in America. Comics were created in America. During the rest of the class, we're going to practice with some exercises to remember how to form both present simple passive form and past simple passive form. Remember, if you have any questions, write to our forum and we will help you. This is all for today. Bye-bye.